how to calculate first and follow of these grammar. Suppose we have this grammar, and in this we have E tends to G oblique epsilon, and F tends to F oblique epsilon. Suppose we have this grammar, so how to calculate first and follow? So first and follow. So what variable we have? We have S, B, C, D, E and F. We have this, and the first of S is A, the first terminal A. B first is C, C first is B and epsilon both. D first, for calculating D first we have to calculate E and F both. For E we have G, so first G will come because epsilon is there, so we have to see F also, so we will see F. F first is also F, and because in both epsilon is present, so we will write epsilon here. And for E, first is G and epsilon. F first we have F and epsilon. Now we will calculate follow. So for calculating follow, first we write the grammar in that form, tree form. So what grammar we have? S tends to A, B, D, H. So we will write like A, B, D and H, and B tends to C, C, so we will write C, capital C. And for D tends to, we have EF, so we will write EF, E and F. And C tends to what we have? C tends to, we have BC, so leave it. E tends to what we have? We have G, and F tends to what we have? F. And C tends to we have B and C again. So from here we will see how to calculate follow. So as we know, because S is a start symbol, so we have this dollar sign because from the rule. And after that we will see the follow of B. The follow of B, the follow of B will be, from here we can simply say the follow of B is depend upon D. So and D is depend upon E and F. So what we will get? We will get G, F and H, because follow of B is depend upon first of D. The first of D is depend upon first of E and first of F, because first of E is having epsilon, so we have to see F also. So G, F and H will come. G, F, H will be the follow. Now we will see the follow of C. Follow of C, because follow of C, and after that what we have? E and F, E and F. So from the tree E and F, so again it will remain same, G, F and H. H follow. Now the follow of D. Follow of D, after D what we have? We have H only, so it will be H. And the follow of E, follow of E, because after that what we have? F, so we will write F, and what we have? H, so F and H. And the follow of F, after F what we have? H, so we will write H. So in that way we can calculate first and follow. Now let's see one more example. Suppose we have grammar like this, S tends to A, B, 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 A tends to epsilon and B tends to epsilon. Suppose we have this. So first and follow. So what variable we have? S, capital A, or B we have. And from this we can make a tree like this. S tends to B, 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 A. We can make tree like this, and we have this grammar. So first, what will be the first? If we suppose A is epsilon, so and B is also epsilon, so A and B both will come. These are the first of S, and first of A will be epsilon and first of B will be epsilon, because we have nothing except this for A. Now follow, because S is a start symbol, so dollar will be there, as we all know from the rule. The first symbol always have follow like this, and after that what will be the follow of A? Follow of A will be, because we have nothing before that, we have only S, and according to that we have A. Follow of A will be after that what we have A, and if this will be epsilon, then what we have B. If we put the value, so follow of A will be A and B, like that. If we put epsilon, because what is the value of A? A value is epsilon and B value is also epsilon. So if we put these values, so after A what we will get? A, B, and after B what we will get? B, A. So this will be the follow and this will be the first. So in that way we can calculate first to follow of the grammars.